The death penalty. Everyone, it seems, has an opinion.
When you're the one, though, who decides if a person lives or dies, your conscience can come into play.
In Florida, sentencing killers to death may be harder because of a new law.
Maris Badcock explains, plus gives you a look into the minds of two death penalty jurors.
When a jury finds a suspected killer guilty in a capital murder case, their job isn't over. Those 12 people get to return to the jury room to debate one more thing: life or death.
Life in prison or to the death penalty. Could you do that?
Jurors know it's coming. The prosecution and defense ask them for their feelings on the death penalty long before the trial starts. Rodney Crockett and Vera Sanchez, jurors on two different capital cases, had to answer that one question.
You see things on TV and you think, oh, it'd be interesting to do it and all that, but it's like once they start asking you the questions and stuff, it's like, this is real.
It's traumatizing. It's not what you would expect it to be when watching TV. I mean, I think they make it look different.
Vera Sanchez was on the jury that 8 years ago convicted Andrew Gozeminski of the vicious killing of Joan Loffman in St. Lucie County.
It was hard. It was hard.
Despite her emotions, Sanchez could not vote to recommend Gozeminski die for his crime.
Some people think of it as, well, if they commit a murder and they killed somebody, why shouldn't they pay the price? And I think of it as, well, who are we to decide?
But majority ruled. Today, Gozeminski sits on death row with 359 other convicted Florida killers. But today, Sanchez's vote could have saved Gozeminski's life.
We, the jury, unanimously find.
Palm Beach County just wrapped its first capital murder case since a new Florida law took effect, requiring a jury to be unanimous in its death penalty recommendation.
And they called us back in and started reading the names. And they read my name, number 7, juror number 7.
Rodney Crockett voted to convict Rodney Clark of killing a Lake Worth mother, Dana Fader, 30 years ago. But he could not vote to put Clark to death. When the jury announced its decision, Crockett told me he couldn't look at Fader's family.
What if they wanted this guy to have the death penalty? They had done an interview. They said they were happy that this guy's off the street.
Looking at the numbers, it's clear that it's always been tough for a Florida jury to recommend death. The new law will make it tougher. From September 2015 to September 2016, juries heard 33 capital murder cases in the Palm Beaches and the Treasure Coast. Only one jury voted for death, for a cop killer, Eris Tisdale, who shot and killed St. Lucie County Sergeant Gary Morales in 2013.
As far as the law being changed,
I like it. I think it's a good rule.
I think is going to make it extremely difficult to administer the death penalty. I think it will.
Maris Badcock, WPTV News Channel 5.